Today we're making a lemon curd and strawberry meringue roulade. To make your meringue pliable and still crunchy, mix up some corn flour, vanilla essence and some vinegar. When you make your meringue, make sure all your items are squeaky clean and also that you don't contaminate the whites with any egg yolk. Use a whisk to whisk up your egg whites and then gradually add your caster sugar a little at a time and keep whisking. Once you've added all your sugar, then carry on whisking until you form nice peaks that hold themselves with the whisk. Once you've got to this stage, then you can add your corn flour mixture. Spread this on a tray covered with parchment paper to a thickness of about 1 centimetre. And put in the oven on 120 degrees centigrade for about 40 minutes. When that's in the oven, you can start on your lemon curd mixture. So zest all the lemon and the juice into a pan with the sugar and then add your butter into that as well. In a bowl, whisk your eggs with a fork and just pass them through a strainer. If you don't have one of these, then don't worry. Mix this all together and then place it on the stove on a really low heat and just keep stirring that until everything mounts and it starts to thicken up. Once you see it starting to thicken, then just turn the heat off and leave it to cool down. Your meringue now can come out the oven and just be left on the side to cool down. Slice your strawberries quite thinly and then also whip up some cream. Once your meringue is cooled a bit, then turn it out onto another sheet of parchment and just gently peel off the parchment from the meringue. Spread a nice layer of the lemon curd that is cooled down. Make sure this isn't hot at this stage. As I always say, don't over-whisk your cream. Once that's whipped up, then you can just gently spoon some over the top and spread that over the lemon curd. And once that's done, just layer up your strawberries so it's nice and neat. When you come to roll it up, it's going to feel quite rigid, so just gently try to fold it into the centre, pushing it gently with your hands to create a nice sort of roll, and then use the parchment paper to help you fold it right over, and then just sort of gently prise it together. One top tip when you come to cutting your meringue is put the knife into boiling water and keep it moist so it cuts through the meringue nice and easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy.